How to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. So if you want to remove your Microsoft account from your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you need to right click on your start button, and then here you'll have settings. You need to click on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the account section. Now from the accounts, you need to click on accounts, which is on the right side. Scroll down, go with your info. After that, you will have account settings. So in my case, I've logged in with my Microsoft account. Now if you want to remove your Microsoft account, you can go with the option which is sign in with a local account instead, which will remove your Microsoft account and create a local account instead. So go with sign in, and here make sure that you read all of these and then go with next. And it will ask you to use or create a username, new password, and then confirm your password and enter a password hint and go with next. And you will be signed in with your local account instead of your Microsoft account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.